mabuhay ug madayaw. Hi Ma'am Marmy Rochelle Pontenciando. I'm your student of PE. My name is Kendib Manay Obidencio. I am a Bachelor of Science Tourism Management. So, I live in Kugon, Serawan, Toril, Davao City. My birthday is November 29, 2004. My age is 19. My height is 5.4 centimeter. Then I eat a lot of foods like macaroni, spaghettis. Then I love vegetables too. I have a healthy lifestyle like doing exercise every day, basketball, swimming, and running. Then about myself, and I am handsome to many girls that attract me, but I choose one. So his name is Maria Emiliana Naskis.